episode of YouTubers reviewing YouTuber reviews on unboxing videos to publicly apologize for a certain explicit sex tape that has leaked through the airwaves and directly into your homes.
Right yours, no?
We are ashamed of what we've done and wait, no! Don't show the tape! No! What is wrong with you?
Right yours, no?
The point is that we apologize profusely for causing upset to our viewers for a mistake that occurred in the bowels of the studio late last weekend. And from the cast and crew here at Puppet News, we hope you'll never be felt up by us again.
Right
Do
yours?
you understand what deep we're in? F it! I'm done for the day! Trisha, where's Trisha with my goddamn motherfucking latte?